Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prepping the headset and accessories. Unbox the Quantum 910, locate the USB-C dongle, and connect the charging cable. Once done, plug the cable into a powered USB port and wait until the LED shows sufficient charge. This prevents interruptions during firmware and pairing. Make sure your PC or console is on and that Bluetooth or USB ports are available. You don't need extra drivers yet. Powering and charging first ensures smooth next steps when you pair and update. Now pair and configure. Insert the USB dongle into the target device and switch the headset on. Long press the power button until the LED flashes to enter pairing. On PC, install JBL Quantum engine to get firmware updates, spatial audio, EQ presets, and mic controls. Once the software detects the headset, update firmware immediately because updates fix latency or mic issues. Configure headset as default playback and recording in your OS sound settings, and adjust sample rate or exclusive mode if you need lower latency. Finish by fine-tuning fit and settings. Set side tone so you hear yourself, tweak EQ for clarity, and enable spatial modes for competitive or immersive play. Test voice chat with a friend and run an in-game audio check to confirm microphone and game/chat balance. If something fails, dropouts, no mic, or poor sound, repair the dongle, perform a headset reset, power off, hold power for 10 seconds, reinstall Quantum engine, and try another USB port. These steps resolve most connection and driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.